reflecting back on my childhood, it was kind of a nightmare, chaos. And I think my coping mechanism of this chaos was to become a control freak and to really seek perfection in things that I did, whether it was athletics or academics or you name it. I think one of the biggest lessons I've learned through this cancer journey is that it's okay to be real, just human, which is happy, sad, mad, glad, upset, angry. Some days are wonderful, some days are really crappy. And that all of that is completely okay. And that I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm not trying to strive for what society says I should be, which is this achiever and to be busy. I want the antithesis of that now. I want connections with my friends and family that are like intense and real and close, as opposed to like quality over quantity. And it's okay to be messed up or have a bad day or have a bad scan or have a blood work that isn't optimal. It's all just part of the journey. And the bad days are actually the ones that give me that ability to understand other people's suffering, and that suffering makes me a stronger person, and that it's okay just to be real.